before we start, guys, I would like to show you one more thing, but it's only for fun, okay? It's not important for us, but this, what we have done here and here, we call it object. So it means Harry is an object of turtle. My screen is an object of screen, okay? And the objects, they have lots of things, okay? So it means Harry and my screen, they have lots of things with it. So for example, I will show you with my screen, and in the tutorial we will use lots of things with Harry. So my screen, for example, I would like to print something here, and it would goes like this. Width. I would like to print the width of the screen. So my this screen is my screen, okay? So I will put here my screen dot can width. It can means canvas. Canvas means the screen, okay? It's only a different word for the screen. So if I will run it now, I don't need this, okay? I will close it, and you can see that the width is 400, so it means 400 pixels, okay? So if I will run it again, this is 400, okay? So now we can print the height as well, and it will be very similar. Can height, okay? I will run it. We will need it now. I will check it. Width is 400 and height is 300. So this is 400 and this is 300. Okay. Perfect. That's everything what we need. Okay. It's not so important. I just want to show you that if you write here my screen dot, and you can see that there are lots of tons of things which we can use with my screen, okay? And there are things like can width and so on and so on, okay? And it's the same with Harry. So it's our turtle Harry dot, and you can see, for example, backward circle. So the Harry, the turtle, can create a circle, okay? It can go forward, it can go backward, okay? Forward will be here here somewhere, okay? Here, forward, okay? And so on and so on. It can fill color some object and so on. Go to, for example, go home, is down, is visible, and so on and so on. Okay guys, so now I just want to show you how these two objects works. Okay, you just need to write the name of the object, the dot, and the rest. Okay, of course we will cover objects in a special part of the Python. It's called object oriented programming, OOP, if you want. So please don't be confused with objects now. It's nothing what we need in this time. Okay, I just wanted to show you some basic things how the object works. Okay, so you will create the object, and after that it's the name of the object dot and what the object should do. Okay, here my screen is the object dot and whatever the object should do. Okay, that's it guys. So if you want, you can delete these two lines if you want, and we will see in the next video.